Hi, I'm Balaji Seshadri, Product Marketing Manager at Microchip Technology. Many home appliances include one or more motors critical to their functionality. An important trend for these appliances is to optimize energy efficiency and minimize power consumption. This is particularly true for an air conditioner, which uses more power than any other appliance in your home. To achieve improved power saving, the latest air conditioners, or ACs, come with an inverter technology that drives the compressor at variable speed to continuously regulate the temperature. This offers better efficiency compared to a thermostat-based on-off and fixed-speed compressor operation. Many entry-level ACs use alternating current induction motors, or ACIMs, in compressors and implement a simple start and stop method using a basic microcontroller. However, an induction motor does not offer you much efficiency. If efficiency is important in your design, a better option is to go for a permanent magnet synchronous motor or interior PMSM with sensorless field-oriented control, or FOC. This allows you to closely control the energy used by the motor over a much wider load or speed range. Another focus area to improve efficiency is power factor correction, or PFC, on the input power section. Achieving all these aspects in a cost-effective manner will pose you several challenges. A typical AC includes an outdoor unit and an indoor unit. Since the outdoor unit consumes the most energy, let's focus on it. The outdoor unit needs to implement condenser fan control, compressor control, and power factor correction together with sensor interfacing and system function. Due to the complexity of control techniques, the most common design architecture you may come across includes at least 3 different microcontrollers implementing these functions. Many high-performance microcontrollers include the necessary motor control PWMs and analog peripherals to implement dual motor control. However, such a design still requires you to use an external controller for PFC implementation. For a cost-effective design, Microchip's dual-core DSPIC33CH digital signal controllers offer the right set of peripherals for your air conditioner design. The DSPIC33CH DSCs feature 2 asymmetrical cores with up to 100 MIPS performance per core, a DSP engine with dedicated memory, high analog integration, and high-resolution PWMs on each core. In our 1.8 kW air conditioner reference design, the slave core of the DSPIC33CH DSC easily implements sensorless FOC-based control of PMSM motors in fans and compressors. The master core implements interleaved PFC, sensor interfacing, system functions, and still is left with sufficient microcontroller resources in order to customize features for various target markets. The dual-core DSPIC33CH DSCs reduce the requirement from 3 microcontrollers to a single digital signal controller that offers significant cost reduction. The active digital interleaved boost PFC implemented on the input power section offers more than 95% efficiency, 0.991 PF, and less than 5% total harmonic distortion. The compressor control section features a 1.4 kW power stage and implements sensorless PMSM or IPMSM FOC control with a switching frequency between 4 to 20 kHz to closely control the motor. The variable speed control technique enables the compressor to function at its peak performance and conserves energy by modulating the speed of operation. The compressor control also implements other sophisticated control techniques such as field weakening, torque compensation, and stall detection. All of these control techniques enable you to achieve significant energy savings and high reliability. The fan control supports a 150-watt power stage, windmilling, and all the previously stated control algorithms to facilitate energy conservation and offers aesthetically pleasing jerk-free fan startup. Due to the isolation of time-critical dual motor control implemented on the slave core, the DSPIC33CH DSC-based solution enables you to easily add features on the master core like valve control, temperature monitoring, and communication with the indoor unit. This dual-core architecture relieves you from the hassles of integration challenges that may impact the time-critical motor control operations. The air conditioner reference design comprises of the necessary function blocks that would enable you to explore other end applications such as refrigerators, washing machines, dishwashers, HVACs, PFC power supplies, and other appliances. To learn how the dual-core DSPIC33CH family of microcontrollers can enable your home appliance applications, and to get more details about the air conditioner reference design, please visit microchip.com/aircon. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.